In this video, we'll explore what DevOps is, how it works, and why it's so important for modern software development. Let's dive into it. DevOps is a set of practices that combines software development, dev, and IT operations, ops. It aims to shorten the system's development lifecycle and provide continuous delivery with high software quality. The DevOps lifecycle involves several stages, each playing a crucial role in ensuring seamless software delivery. First, we have planning, where teams define goals and features. Next, development begins as developers write and refine the code. Then, we move to building, where the code is compiled into deployable units. Once built, the software undergoes testing to ensure quality and stability. Then, in the deploy phase, the software is pushed to production for users. Next, we have operate, where the software runs smoothly in production. Finally, we reach monitor, where teams track performance and fix issues. This cycle repeats continuously, ensuring efficient software development and delivery. Key practices in DevOps include continuous integration, continuous delivery infrastructure as code, monitoring and logging. Why is DevOps important? It is for faster software delivery, improved collaboration, higher quality, scalability, reduced costs. Some popular tools in DevOps include Git, version control Jenkins, for continuous integration, Docker, containerization, Kubernetes, container orchestration, Terraform, for infrastructure as code. In conclusion, DevOps is transforming the way we build, test, and release software. By adopting DevOps practices, companies can improve efficiency, collaboration, and product quality. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.